meditation isn't about stilling your mind. Meditation is about your awareness and removing your awareness from your thoughts and shifting that awareness into the center, into the stillness that already exists inside of you. So what we want to do is take our senses and start to bring them inward. So instead of our senses being created to experience the outer world, we want to begin to retract them like a turtle that retracts its limbs. So we retract our sense of hearing and we bring it into the stillness, into the center of us. We retract our sense of sight so that we can go inward. Then we retract our sense of smell, our sense of taste, and then even our sense of touch. And we begin to bring all of that awareness right into the stillness that already exists, always exists, right in the center of us. That's where we meet ourselves. And that's what meditation is. Meditation is reestablishing the relationship with you.